Hello, welcome. This is a review, first impression taste test of the new Kellogg's Frosted Mini Wheats Golden Honey flavor. I'm a huge mini wheat fan, and I love any type of honey flavored cereal, honeycomb, honey bunches of oats. I think those are the only other two that I like. But let's just dive right into it. Wow. Pro tip on opening a box of cereal: use the back of your spoon to slice open that box. That smells a lot like honey. This is my first ever cereal review. I am a huge cereal fan, mainly for late night snacks. Let's see if we can't get a better view of that. I will eat one plain. Whole milk. Pretty good. Kind of dry. Obviously, you're not going to eat these plain. If you are, you're a psychopath. That's pretty good. Tastes like normal mini wheats with just a hint of honey. Now this box seems to be frosted quite well. Good coverage on that wheat. And yeah. Those are good. Yes?
What is going on in here? You want it to be as bright as possible.
Would you like to try a mini wheat?
Review.
Oh, they're pretty good.
How do I try a mini wheat? Are you recording right now?
Yeah. I'm not feeding that to you.
I'll waterfall it.
Waterfall the mini wheat.
Tastes too much like apples.
Apples?
I need one more butthead connector. I used all mine.
I don't know if I have any.
What? I need a singular red one also.
Apologize for that. I'd give it
We give it a 4.
a 4?
Yeah, I don't like it.
I'd give it a...
It's not bad. 3 or 4. No, 3's too bad. I'd give it 4.
It's no better than normal mini wheats.
Definitely not. Definitely worse than regular mini wheats.
Worse than regular mini wheats?
Yep.
You're not a mini wheat fan, though.
I like them. I don't eat them very much, but I like them. Strawberry mini wheats, that's where it's at.
Those are pretty good. These are better than strawberry mini wheats.
No.
Better than blueberry mini wheats. I hate blueberry mini wheats.
I've never had blueberry. Did I go look inside your electrical box?
Uh-huh.
I think I do have one more, but I think I dropped it and I can't find it. I've been looking for the last 5 minutes.
Well, Yeah, those are good. The color when they're wet in the milk, it's hard to tell what side is covered just by the quick glance. So if you're like me, who puts them on their tongue with the frosted side down, frosted side towards your tongue, you might have a little harder time figuring out what way they go. Because you can clearly tell a difference, but when they get milk on them, they are harder to tell what way is frosted and what way's not. That's pretty good though. I'd buy this again. Definitely a change in the mini wheat game, but nothing better than original. Now, what are better than original that I have not yet found are the pumpkin spice flavored mini wheats. They had them in my store last fall season a year ago, and I have yet to find them this season. Those ones were good. Anyway, hope you like this review. Let me know if you want me to do more. Okay, bye.